Wages and Benefits by Carson Lewis. Wages are broken down by hourly, salaried, or contracted. Hourly based is payment for every hour worked. Salaried based is a fixed yearly amount not based on hours worked. Contracted based is hired to complete a job. The contract expires after job completion. Benefits are the main reason someone wants to go to work. Many companies offer health care, paid vacation days, sick days, retirement plans, and raises. Who the law impacts: employees, employers, unions, managers, and supervisors. Situations covered under area of law: equal pay, minimum wage, Family Medical Leave Act, employer offered health insurance, and unemployment wages and benefits. The Equal Pay Act. The Equal Pay Act requires employees to pay their job requirements without consideration of gender, race, or age. Pay should be based on skill, effort, responsibility of tasks. Minimum wage. Minimum wage is the lowest amount an individual can earn per hour. Minimum wage is determined by federal and state governments. Ohio minimum wage is $8.55 per hour, compared to the federal minimum wage, which is only $7.25 per hour. Wage disputes. Amazon recently had a wage dispute. The Fair Labor Standards Act was cited in the Amazon case, where employees sued an employment agency that contracted employees to Amazon. The suit was initiated by employees in order to be paid for the time they are screened at the end of their shifts. The screening process was to ensure that theft is not occurring. The screening takes about 25 minutes to complete, and originally employees were not paid for this. The case ruled in favor of Amazon, but was overruled in 2018. The Family Medical Leave Act. The Family Medical Leave Act protects employees from losing their jobs for a determined amount of time if they needed any time away from work to care for family members. In order to be eligible for this act, you must supply a letter from a medical professional. Also, an employee must have been employed for 12 months prior to taking leave. Employee offered health insurance typically is medical coverage plans that are partially paid by a large employer. A large employer is considered to have 50 or more full-time employees. Unemployment wages. Unemployment wages before being terminated from a job, an individual can apply for unemployment benefits, which will cover a portion of their pay. Employees terminated from their job for a serious offense may be denied unemployment benefits. One who qualifies for unemployment benefits can collect for a maximum of 26 weeks, and the dollar amount will vary based on the household income. Consolidated Ambiguous Budget Reconciliation Act is known as COBRA. It allows people who lose their jobs to receive benefits for up to 18 months. Types of businesses covered under law of wages and benefits. A business greater than 5 employees must cover and contribute to workers' compensation. Workers' compensation ensures coverage to employees if they are hurt on the job. All employees must provide unemployment insurance. Disability insurance is required in a few states, but Ohio is not one of them. COBRA is only available for group insurances greater than 20 employees. The employer does not pay the premium. Businesses are not required to offer vacation days, sick days, or funeral time off. Understanding state and federal laws regarding wages, benefits, and dispute resolution prior to hiring can save the employer a lot of time and money. When in doubt, contact a lawyer or an accountant to keep your business safe.